Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and if you have watched my previous videos on USD CAD, then you can easily recognize these lines. So let's do the analysis first. Let's try to understand what is going on the chart of USD CAD. Let's try to understand each and every point in detail. Then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Okay. So if you just look at the chart, then this is a simple, beautiful uptrend market. Clear? So there should not be any doubt whenever we look at this kind of chart, because this is a typical uptrend market. Okay, and as you can see that I have drawn a trend line here. Okay. And this trend line is acting as a support for the market, and you can clearly see on the chart also, whenever market was coming down, it was getting the support from the trend line. So this trend line is a valid support for the market. So we have a support also. On the other hand, we also have a resistance, and the resistance is 1.2610. If you're wondering why am I considering this line as a resistance, for that I need to take you to the weekly chart. So as we all know, weekly chart or the daily chart, these higher time frames are the time frame of the big boys, the institutional traders, and therefore resistance and support levels from the higher time frames are very crucial for the market. And this is the weekly chart of USD CAD, and you can see that here we have a resistance. You can see that in the month of March also, in the month of March and April, market was struggling with this resistance, and after that market failed and market came down. Again market is struggling to cross this particular resistance 1.2610. And you can see that on 19th July market tried to go up, but the price failed to sustain again. Ultimately market had to close below the resistance, and still market is trading below the resistance only. Therefore 1.2610 is a very important resistance for the market, because market is trying to cross this level since March, and right now we are in August. So you have understood the importance of the weekly chart now. Okay, this weekly resistance level, clear? So generally whenever we see a chart setup like this, so this strategy is generally very simple, because the basic rule of the market says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, go for buying opportunities. If a market is in downtrend, we should look for selling opportunities. And this market is an uptrend, therefore we should look for buying opportunities. And where should we buy? We should always buy at support, and because support is the area of value in an uptrend market, which means that if we buy at support, we get the best risk to reward ratio. And while shorting the market, we should always short the market at resistance, so that we get the best risk to reward ratio. And right now this market is an uptrend, so considering all these factors, all the rules and regulations of the market, the basic rules, thumb rules and all, okay, we should follow the market, or sorry, we should buy here. It's not it. We should buy here. So as per the rules, so market is in the best spot right now. But I think that this is not the right position, and I also say that you should not go for buy here. Though market is in uptrend, though chart is very beautiful, very sweet, okay, though market is just standing at this support, but still I think that there are some complications on the chart that you also must understand. If you focus on the psychology of the market here, okay, then you'll understand that something is wrong here, something is not right. Because you can see that whenever, okay, try to understand my words here, whenever market was coming down to the support level, you can see that after one touch or after one or two candles, market was immediately going up. Here also market was immediately going up. But here, if you just concentrate or focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each candle is of 4 hours. 7 candles into 4 hours. So 28 hours. So market is standing at the support for more than 28 hours. And still market is not in a position to go up. So there must be something, is not it? And the reason is that though market is standing at support, but still buyers does not have the strength. Buyers does not have the required strength to take the price upward. As a result, they are just standing here. They they have the strength, okay, they have the strength to respect the support, but they do not have the strength to take the price upward. And this is a very serious matter here. And if we look at the forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. If you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, then you can see that 33% retail traders have taken short position and 66% retail traders have taken long position. Or in simple words, 66% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money, and as a result there is a good possibility that market will be going down, because most of the time, okay, most of the time retail traders lose money. The main reason is that retail traders fail to understand the psychology of the market. So to be honest, I also prefer to trade always against the sentiment meter, because I do not want to be a part of this crowd. Therefore there's a good chance that market, it will be going down, though market is standing at support, but still I think that there's a good chance of going down. And one more thing, sorry to mention, I forgot to mention, actually I have recently launched a pro trader membership. You can be a part of my membership for just the monthly fee of $15, and I'll be sharing all the best opportunities available on the forex market. If you want to know the details, then just go to the website and you will see all the details here. I'll be sharing minimum 3 videos per week. Videos will be like this. I'll be explaining everything in detail, okay, and it will be awesome. That's it. If you want, you can just check the information here. Anyways, so what I'm saying is that, okay, though market is standing here, but still market does not have the strength here. So definitely not a buy call here. Definitely not a buy call for me here. And if you check the DXY chart also, and as we all know, DXY chart is directly related to the USD CAD chart. It means that whenever US dollar goes up, USD CAD also goes up. If dollar goes down, USD CAD also goes down. If you look at the chart of DXY US dollar here, then you can clearly see that DXY is an uptrend. There is no doubt about the overall trend of the DXY, but right now you can see that DXY is also struggling to go up. Though it is standing at the Fibonacci level here, it is trying to maintain this temporary support here. Mind the word, I'm using the word temporary. It is trying to maintain the temporary support here, but in case it fails to hold the support and goes down, then we'll also see USD CAD going down. Therefore be very careful, okay, and I do not think that market will be going up soon. If there is a good buying pressure on the chart of US dollar, then USD CAD will be going up, then that's a different chapter. So the strategy is keep your eyes on the chart of USD CAD and as well as the DXY. If dollar starts going up, then only go for buy. Otherwise, do not buy right now, because the market psychology does not support buying USD CAD right now. There is a possibility that market will be going down only. Okay, and if market goes down also, please do not short the market. Do not short the market, because overall the trend of the market is towards the upside. Market is still in uptrend, therefore do not short the market. Just avoid, if possible, just avoid. On the other hand, if it goes up, then just look at the chart of dollar. If dollar is also going up, then you can go for buy. Clear? So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.